Let's begin with the news break coming in. A one nation, one election. The BJP is pushing forward to make this a reality, and tomorrow the Bharatiya Janata Party will be holding a big youth outreach program in Delhi on this very issue, on one nation, one election. More than 1,000 students from across the country will come together to be a part of this discussion on one nation, one election. The session will be conducted by Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan as well as Mansukh Mandaviya. Both will come together to teach, educate, create awareness on one nation, one election. I want to bring in Piyush Mishra for more details on this. Piyush, good afternoon. Is this part of a larger outreach program that the BJP is planning on to spread the word really on the positives of one nation, one election?
Well, certainly in the last few days we have seen, Akshata, as to how the Bharatiya Janata Party government has been, taking out various campaigns and also seeking views of people across the country, on one nation, one poll. And now what we are learning is that around 1,000 programs are going to be organized. Union Minister Mansukh Mandaviya, Shivraj Singh Chauhan and various other BJP leaders have been given the responsibility to reach out to people to understand their views as far as this entire thing is concerned. Remember that a special drive is also to be carried out by the BJP. A couple of days back, BJP's National President JP Nadda had a virtual meeting with all Lok Sabha MPs where a detailed plan was decided as to how to reach out to people and understand their views on this. What we're also learning is that the BJP will approach the people under the banner, under a neutral banner, not with the BJP banner, and that will happen to understand the real intention, real views of the people. And this entire program will be chaired by a few leaders, including Mansukh Mandaviya, Shivraj Singh Chauhan and other senior leaders of Bharatiya Janata Party. So that is a different exercise from what JPC is doing. So JPC is doing its own job where it will tour across the country, different states to seek views of the people. On the other side, BJP under a neutral flag will reach out to people to understand their views on one nation, one poll.
Okay, so clearly the BJP getting the wheels moving on one nation, one election. But while you're seeing this awareness campaign taking place right now, Piyush, the reality is that, look, even for simultaneous polls to take place, it is going to take some time. The BJP can take these steps of, moving things forward, but it's not going to be an immediate measure, an immediate reform.
Well, absolutely, BJP will have to make a few amendments in constitution. For that, you need a two-third majority in both the houses. But in Lok Sabha, entire NDA in total does not have a two-third majority. They will have to speak to various opposition political parties. They would need their support only, and after that itself, this can be done. But sources within the government have told us that they will approach various other opposition political parties to request them to support the government on this move, because the one nation, one election, if this becomes reality, it is going to save a lot of money. It is going to save a lot of infrastructure of the government, and that money can specifically be used for the development of the country. I remember that earlier the cabinet had also discussed about this, and the government wanted to meet with various other stakeholders to understand their views on this. But what we are now learning is that the Modi government is very much firm as far as one nation, one poll is concerned, and for that various activities are being carried out across the country.
Thanks very much, Piyush, for joining us with all of those details.